Hi children, how are you all? Good morning. Hope all are fine and all are studying for your unit test, second unit test. All are preparing? Okay. So children, um, we'll continue with the listening time of the poem today. We'll continue page 32. All will take out page number 32. We'll continue with the listening time, and then after that tomorrow you will do the question answers. With this you will complete the whole lesson, whole poem, The Cow, and from day after we can start with the revision for the unit test. But in your house, I think you all have started with your revision and doing your revision. All the three lessons, learn very well because exams are coming, they are very near and you have to learn for that. So children, take out page number 32. Let's do the listening time of this lesson. In page number 32, see the first question what it is given. What was the woman carrying in the pail? What was the woman carrying in the pail? What was she carrying? She was carrying pail of milk. She was carrying pail of milk. The woman was carrying a pail of milk. So first answer is, what was she carrying? Pail of milk. Pail of milk. What was the woman carrying in the pail? The woman was carrying pail of milk. Pail of milk. Come to the second question, children. Fast, let us do it. Where did she keep the pail of milk? Where did she keep the pail of milk? Where did she keep the pail of milk? She kept the pail of milk on her head. Where did she keep the pail of milk? Like this, she was carrying the pail of milk on her head and going. Where did she keep the pail of milk? On her head. So second question is, second answer is on her head. Where did she keep the pail of milk? She kept the pail of milk on her head. Come to the third question. See, read the third question. After selling the milk, what would she get? After selling anything, what do people get? If you sell anything, what do they get? They get money. They get money. So after selling the milk, she would get some money. She would get some money. What will, if we sell something, what we get? We get some money. So when the woman sold the milk, what did she get? She would get some money. Some money. So third answer is some money. What did the woman get? Some money. M-O-N-E-Y, money. She would get some money. Come to the fourth question, children. See the fourth question. With the money, how many eggs would she buy? With the money, how many eggs would she buy? With the money, she would buy 100 eggs. How many eggs she would buy? She would buy 100 eggs. So, fourth answer is, she would buy 100 eggs. How many eggs did she buy? 100 eggs. How much money, with the money, what did she buy? She would buy 100 eggs. She would buy 100 eggs. I hope you all are understanding and writing children. See the fifth question now. See the fifth question. What would the chicks grow up to be? See, you girls grow up to be women, boys grow up to be man. Like that, puppy grows to be dog. And then like that, what does the small chick become when they are, what do we call them when they become big? Chick becomes a hen. Chick becomes a hen. The chick would be hen. Chick would be hen. So what would the chicks grow up to be? The chicks would grow up to be hens. To be hens. Chicks would grow up to be hens. Chick would grow up to be hens. Grow up to be hens. Chicks would grow up to be hens. Chick would grow up to be hens. Let's come to the last question. Where would she go to sell the hens and eggs? Again, where do people sell things? Where do you go to buy things? Think, where do you go to buy things? If you want something, where do you go to buy? We go to the market. So even if she wants to sell something, where would she go and sell? She would go and sell in the market. She would go and sell in the market. She would go to the market to sell the hens and the eggs. Go to the market. Go to the market. Market. What is a market? Market is a place where we buy and sell things. Where we buy and sell things. That is the place where we buy and sell things. So I hope you all have understood whole listening time question and answers. Let's go through it once again fast. And these question answers I will give you to complete it in your WhatsApp group. Write it in the book itself and write it very neatly. First understand, and I always tell you one thing, remember that before writing you must be able to read what you are writing. Okay children, so whenever you write something, be sure that you are able to read that. So what was the woman carrying in the pail? What was she carrying? Now only I told you, now you should be able to answer. Tell me, what was the woman carrying in the pail? The woman was carrying pail of milk. Pail of milk. And where was she carrying the pail of milk? On her head. Where was she carrying the pail of milk? On her head. On her head. Then next, after selling the milk, what would she get? Just now I told you, after selling anything, she would get some money. She would get some money. Then what? With the money, how many eggs would she buy? With the money, how many eggs would she buy? Just now I told you, she would buy 100 eggs. She would buy 100 eggs. Then next, what would the chicks grow up to be? Chicks when they grow, what do they become? Just now I told you, remember? Yes, chicks become hen. Chicks become hen. Chicks grow up to become hens. Then where would she go to sell the hens and eggs? Woman was going to sell hens and eggs. Which place would she go to sell all these things? Yes, market. And what is the spelling of market? M-A-R-K-E-T, market. M-A-R-K-E-T, market. So children, complete this listening time in your book neatly and write it neatly. And one more thing I am telling you, please do your revision. Start with your revision, because exams are very near and you have a very little time, and lesson 1, 2 and 3 are coming in your exam. Start revising it, start learning it. You will get MCQ. You are used to MCQ type of questions. You will get in each question 4 answers. You have to read the 4 answers and take the correct answer. But to know the correct answer, you have to read and learn the whole lesson, because from anywhere anything can be asked. You have to learn everything of the lesson. Clear to all of you? So children, please start revision and start studying, and take care. Goodbye and God bless you all. We'll continue in the next days.